What's up friends, Andrew here, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to mute a group notification on Battle.net. Now all you have to do, click on chats and groups on the lower right hand side, and from here you want to find the group that you want to mute. So let's say I want to take the X-Men one here, and all you have to do is once you're on this group, just simply look towards the upper right hand side and you will find the notification bell. Now from here, just simply click on that bell that says notification for general, and from here you will just click on none. In case you have more channels here that you want to mute channel specifically, you can go ahead and you can click on each and every one of those channels and you can just set those notifications. So you can turn this off. As you can see, I just put this one off, and for the general you can either leave it on or you can turn it off. It's really up to you, right? So as you can see, I basically do that for those different channels, and I also did it for the group itself. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.